Introduction. Writing is a fundamental skill that transcends academic, professional, and personal realms. It is a powerful tool for communication, expression, and persuasion. Developing strong writing skills is essential for success in various aspects of life. Importance of writing. 1. Communication. Writing is a primary mode of communication, allowing ideas to be conveyed clearly and concisely. 2. Professionalism. In the professional world, effective writing is crucial for creating reports, emails, and other business documents. 3. Academic success. Strong writing skills are vital for academic success, from essays and research papers to exams. Components of effective writing. 1. Clarity. Clearly convey ideas without ambiguity. 2. Conciseness. Express ideas in a succinct manner, avoiding unnecessary details. 3. Coherence. Ensure logical flow between sentences and paragraphs. 4. Consistency. Maintain a uniform tone, style, and language throughout the writing. Audience and format. 1. Know your audience. Tailor your writing style and content to the intended audience. 2. Choose the right format. Consider the purpose of your writing and choose an appropriate format, whether it's a formal report, email, or creative piece. Composition and styles in writing. 1. Introduction. Capture the reader's attention and provide a clear thesis or main idea. 2. Body. Develop key points with supporting evidence and examples. 3. Conclusion. Summarize main points and leave a lasting impression. Structure of writing. 1. Paragraphs. Organize ideas into paragraphs, each focusing on a specific topic. 2. Sentences. Vary sentence structure for rhythm and engagement. 3. Headings and subheadings. Use them to guide the reader through your content. Grammatical errors. 1. Common mistakes. Be vigilant for errors in grammar, punctuation, and spelling. 2. Proofreading. Take time to proofread your work or consider using grammar checking tools. Ways to improve writing skills. 1. Read widely. Exposure to diverse writing styles enhances your own. 2. Practice regularly. Writing is a skill that improves with consistent practice. 3. Seek feedback. Constructive criticism helps identify areas for improvement. 4. Join writing groups. Engage with others who share a passion for writing. Technical writing protocols. 1. Clarity and precision. Clearly convey technical information without ambiguity. 2. Audience awareness. Understand the technical proficiency of your audience. 3. Document structure. Follow a clear structure with headings, subheadings, and bullet points. 4. Revision and editing. Technical documents often require multiple revisions for accuracy and clarity. Conclusion. In conclusion, mastering the art of effective writing is a lifelong journey. By understanding the importance of writing, focusing on key components, adapting to the audience and format, and continuously refining your skills, you can become a proficient and confident writer in any context.